This is Aloore News.
Oyo government canvasses support from traditional worshippers. The governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, has called for support of traditional religion worshippers in the state. This is a part of efforts to ensure religious harmony and to continue to enjoy peace, tranquility, and progress currently witnessing in the state. Governor Makinde made the call through the State Commissioner for Information, Culture and Tourism, Dr. Wasiu Olatubosun, at the interactive stroke prayer session with traditional religion worshippers and Araba of Oyo State, organized by the Office of the Governor Interfaith Affairs in collaboration with the Ministry of Information, Culture and Tourism and Office of the Special Assistant to the Governor on Interfaith Matters at the House of Chiefs, Secretariat, Ibadan. While explaining reasons traditional religion worshippers should join their Muslim and Christian counterparts, Dr. Olatubosun stressed that the present administration has recorded tremendous achievements in the last 2.5 years. The commissioner revealed that Governor Makinde has achieved his campaign promises as regards ownership of Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, LAUTECH, regular payments of salary and pension, prompt payment of lecturers and staff of the state-owned tertiary institutions. He also mentioned renovations and construction of primary healthcare centers across the 351 wards in the state, which he said will be completed before the end of the tenure. Dr. Olatubosun emphasized that collaboration with Governor Seyi Makinde-led administration by the Christian, Muslim and traditional religion worshippers will spur government and people of Oyo State to continue to enjoy peace, tranquility and progress being currently experienced in the state. The commissioner assured them that all their various demands, including a day holiday to observe traditional worship, will be presented to the governor, noting that Governor Seyi Makinde is a man of the people and will look into their demand. He called on them to join the teeming indigents and residents of the state to champion the political evangelism of Governor Makinde and canvass support for his administration.
Engineer Seyi Makinde tí ẹdìbò yàn gbà yẹn tó fi governor Kìnyìmá. Ó ti wá di àtẹ́wọ́gbà gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ó lójú òṣè ní tìmí lórí ọjà tí mo tà.
On his part, the Special Assistant to the Governor on Interfaith Matters, Reverend Femi Ibikunle, charged traditional worshippers to support the present administration with prayers. He said the present administration is an all-inclusive government, and since there is freedom of religion, they showcase their religion to the world, noting that it is only traditional worshippers that can promote their African religion.
Oloore, His Excellency Engineer Oluwaseyi Abiodun Makinde, ẹni tí kò yan ẹ̀sìn kan ní bọ̀kọ̀sí, gbogbo ẹ̀sìn ni gómìnà wa ń bá ṣe.
In his own contribution, the Special Assistant to the Governor on Community Relations, Honorable Olufemi Josiah, enjoined people to embrace African indigenous religions. Also speaking, Paula Gomez, the Cultural Ambassador to Alaafin of Oyo, commended Governor Makinde for practicing an all-inclusive government and for the stringent efforts he is taking to balance religious tolerance in the state. She advises the traditional religious worshippers to be united and speak the same language and in one voice to achieve their demands.
I'm very happy on behalf of KPC for what is happening today here. For 12 years I'm in Oyo, and for 32 years that I come to Nigeria on research, that is the first time that I see that the government calls people to the place.
Also, the Araba Olu Isheshe of Ibadan land, Ifalere Ifaremi, on behalf of over 500 leaders of traditional worshippers, assured Governor Seyi Makinde of their supports and all traditional religion worshippers in the state.
Àwọn alága ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ àti àwọn kánsílọ̀ Olódùmarè yóò jẹ́ ká mọ̀ ṣàṣeyọrí.
Aboyede Ojo for Aloore News.